Are you stressed?
Of course, who isn't?
Oh my gosh, I'm so stressed.
I know.
We are doing a stress workshop because honestly, all joking aside, who doesn't feel stress?
Yeah. Stress doesn't go away.
Stress doesn't seem to go away.
Right.
And it can have a detrimental effect on your health, your life. So here are a few questions. How stressful would you say that your life is? Do you have downtime to participate in things that are wholesome for you, like reading or exercising? Has your metabolism changed? Do you have feelings of anxiousness? Do you feel yourself pushing through fatigue to get things done? Mm-hmm. Or deciding that you never have time to just take a moment for yourself because you have to do?
Yeah.
If that's
constant
your
honey-do list.
constant honey-do list, one that you made for yourself.
Exactly.
And so if any of this sounds like you, we would like to invite you to our workshop on April 30th at 6:30 p.m.
It's on a Monday night, so it's perfect for everybody.
Monday night right here at HealthWorks, and we're going to talk about maybe some surprising things for you, not just about stress and the effects it can have on your body, but really applicable things that you can do to decrease your stress load overall that aren't more stressful to try and get done.
Right, so it's things that you can implement into your life very easily within minutes of the ending of the workshop. It's going to be great for everybody.
We'd love for you to come Monday, April 30th at 6:30 p.m. and bring a friend. Are you stressed?
Yes!